The American Express Gold Card, that gold standard for earning points on the American Express side of things. The Gold Card got some revamped benefits, but also lost the airline fee credit that it once had, but is also now available in Rose Gold again. I did say at some point that if it ever came back, that Rose Gold, I would definitely get it, but I'm not sure that is true anymore, and we'll be getting into why not and more into this video. It'll be an Amex Gold Card review, but make sure you tap that like button and subscribe before getting into it. For starters, we do have to go over the benefits of the American Express Gold Card with a hefty $250 annual fee. They have a great welcome bonus offer right now, which is 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 in the first 6 months, which beats out that previous offer of 35k points over, I think it was 3 months. Amex has some great travel partners, including companies like Delta, British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, and Marriott. When it comes to hotels, Amex are generally worth double or 1.5x, which is a great perk if you want to use your Amex points for hotel stays, because your points will be worth more there. Main cabin round trip from Denver to Miami on Delta is 22,000 miles or $450. That's just main cabin. That's pretty much a 0.02 or 2 cents per point ratio, which is what you should be looking for if you are considering transferring your points out. You do want to try to achieve that at least 2-cent range. How do you earn those points though? Well, with this card, you earn 4x on dining groceries on up to 25k per year, 3x on flights booked directly with the airline or on amextravel.com, and then 1x on everything else. We can pretty much say that it's going to be about 8%, 6%, and 2% cash value that you'll be getting if you find that 2 cents redemption ratio. If you redeem for travel, that is, but you can't redeem your points with travel through amextravel.com because that only gives you a 1 cent redemption value and only makes that card a 4%, 3%, and 1% essentially cash value back. This card was pretty much just made to be paired with the Amex Platinum because it doesn't have too many travel benefits. It's more for earning points and getting dining benefits compared to the Amex Platinum with great travel benefits, but also doesn't earn too many points because it's only in one very specific category. Well, 2 really. With this card, you earn $120 Uber credit and $120 dining credit to use at places like Grubhub, Seamless, Box, Shake Shack, and more. Both of these cards, or I should say benefits, credits, are delivered monthly. So it's $10 a month each, or essentially $20 a month. I personally order food once a month because I want to. So this card would definitely help me out there, and I'd be able to get those credits applied. If you use all the credits each and every month, then the annual fee is really only $10 a year, which sounds pretty good to me. However, there are some things you should consider and need to look at before getting a card like this. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves though, because there are some other benefits to this metal card. You get Amex offers, which are some of the best in the business. I can't check the gold offers because I don't have one, but essentially on the platinum, it gave me a $50 credit to spend $50 at Best Buy. So that's kind of like free money, and I needed something at Best Buy, so it worked out all in the end. You also get the hotel collection, which if you book a hotel through amextravel.com, then you can get a $100 hotel credit to spend on resort activities, like a spa service. And you may also get a room upgrade if you stay at least 2 consecutive nights. I booked a hotel once through Amex Travel, but unfortunately it wasn't one of those hotel collection hotels. So I didn't get the added benefit, so I can't rate the experience or potential benefit that applies. I'm assuming if a $100 credit, it would be decently good. Let's get into if this card is right for you though, because all in all, it's a fantastic card for those trying to earn valuable Amex membership points. If you are someone who finds the Amex points super valuable or have a Schwab Platinum card that lets you redeem your points for 1.5% cash back, which is better than Amex's own redemption rate at only 0.80 cash back or 80 cents on the dollar, then this card might be right for you. If you already spend money at Grubhub or Shake Shack, I do sometimes, or Uber Eats, then essentially you're getting a card with a $10 annual fee for the ability to get 1.5% cash back to 6% cash back if you have that Schwab, if you're on the Schwab side of things. because, 1 times 1.5 and then 4 times 1.5, and that's how I got to those numbers. However, if you're going to be using this card for travel, then you could consider it maybe a 2% to 8% cash value based on based on your spending, right? That was just using the Delta example, but if we look at Marriott, then points are worth about a penny. However, with Amex, you can transfer 2 Amex points to 3 Marriott points, making your points like a 1.5x multiplier, and your Amex points would be worth 1.5. Or we can use the Schwab example for that, making your points worth from 1.5% cash back to 6% cash back. I used this random Bahamas stay where it was 160 a night or 16,000 points a night with the Amex points or Marriott points to get those valuations at either 1.5 cents or 2 cents. The real question you need to ask yourself about this card is that are Amex points worth it to you? Will you use them for your transfer partners, or do you have a Schwab account that makes points worth more than what they are with Amex? Because they're not worth very much. I personally find Chase points more valuable because, at least around me, I'm flying Southwest. I don't have a Delta up here. I do have a Southwest and United hub, and both of them are Chase travel partners, right? So I can transfer my points out. With hotels though, I stay at Hyatt, where my points are worth significantly more than 1.5x. I think I've redeemed them for up to 3 cents per point, which is great. So that means for me, Amex points are not worth a whole lot because I won't be flying Delta very much. I won't be staying at Marriott very much. I don't think I'm ever going to stay at Hilton. They have a terrible points redemption thing. It's only like 6 cents or 0.06 cents. Something like that. It's not very good. With a no annual fee card, I can get 3x on dining. That's worth 6% cash back to me. I know slightly less than the 8%, but I fly Southwest more than Delta, so I really wouldn't be able to use those points in the first place. I also have the Blue Cash Preferred for grocery stores, where I earn 6% cash back, which is the same as I would make with the Schwab Platinum and Gold combo. But instead of redeeming my points for money in my brokerage account, I just redeem it for a statement credit. It's essentially the same thing. The money's coming to me no matter what. Anyways, if you use Amex Travel Partners, then this is an absolutely fantastic card, essentially a low annual fee card with extremely high earning potential. But if you're like me and don't use Amex's travel partners very much, then consider not getting it and just getting a card like the Blue Cash Preferred for groceries and another one for dining in your preferred travel partners. Let me know your thoughts below and if you'd get this card or not. If you are going to get it, are you going to get the Rose Gold edition? I upload videos on Monday and Friday on travel and finance. If that sounds like something interesting to you, hit that little subscribe button down there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.